Hey folks, have you ever wondered about the future of humanity, like where we're headed? Whether we're destined to thrive or merely survive? In our quest for answers, we often look at technology, politics, and society. But today, let's take a moment to explore something deeper, something divine. Could God play a role in our future? First, let's talk about the challenges we face. Climate change, pandemics, political unrest. It feels like the odds are stacked against us. But here's the thing, humans are resilient. We've always found a way to adapt and overcome. Now let's add a layer of spirituality. Imagine if divine intervention is part of our survival plan. Different cultures and religions have their own interpretations of divine will. Whether it's destiny, karma, or the will of God, these beliefs give us hope. What if faith isn't just a comfort, but a catalyst for change? Think about it. When people believe in a higher purpose, they're inspired to act. Maybe that's precisely what we need right now. Take a look at history. Many movements for social change have been driven by faith. Martin Luther King Jr. had a dream grounded in his faith that sparked a revolution. Could our future be shaped by similar forces? But let's get real. Faith alone isn't enough. It's about combining our efforts with our beliefs. Science and spirituality don't have to be at odds, they can work together. Imagine a world where technology advances our capabilities while spirituality guides our ethics. A future where we not only survive but thrive with purpose. That's the future I envision. One where humanity reaches its full potential, guided by both reason and faith. So, can humanity survive? Absolutely. The future is unwritten, and we hold the pen. Let's write a story where we overcome our challenges, inspired by both our minds and our souls. Thanks for joining me on this journey. Stay hopeful, stay inspired, and remember, the future is in our hands. See you next time. Please like, share, and subscribe to support our channel. Thank you.